Yes, me wonderful people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again, me people. Me people, I get a surprising argument today. Me see a video. That brother ya look like him live in Canada. And what this brother ya was saying is very interesting. I mean, no say, this I will come as a surprise to Uno. But where this brother ya say we live in Canada and see enough Jamaican man in Canada, enough farm workers come and go in Canada, you know what the man say? The man say him as a Jamaican going to Canada rather take up a white woman in Canada than they with their own Jamaican woman them in Canada. And to myself, me I say, then why must I say that? What could that make him say that? People, the man make it clear and say, you see, when you're there in Canada, and you call to a Jamaican woman, enough time them navel Tony blacker than yeah and look upon you. Because first thing in them intention say, you're not straight in a Canada. You're one of the farm worker them will run off and a look smart if you get you straight in a Canada. The man that said enough of them Jamaica woman in a Canada. Them mother or them father take them up to Canada from them a little pitney. And them good and straight and alright in a Canada. But you see, you as a Jamaica man, them no want you. Or you see if them even talk to you. The first thing where them ask you if you're straight in the country. Yes, man. And this is a man who live in a Canada. I said it and me I say, the man say the first thing them want to know if you're straight in the country. And the man say, you see, if you're never not straight, take the high road, brother. Take the high road. Them not have nothing to do with you. But here the tricky part about this now. You see, after them ask you if you're not straight, and if you're all not straight, them not have nothing to do with it. Them wash them and cleanse you. But, you see when you go back up on that Canadian white woman there, will like you and check for you and don't care if you're straight or not. And decide to start something with you. And you see when that woman starts something with you, and you live, build up on your life, you get your youth, you start your family, guess what? You see when you get straight, them the time that the same Jamaica woman them in Canada want you. Now them want you. Them no want you until you're straight. And them never say make them try with you. It's when them see a white Canadian woman take you up and a try with you and anything a work. And then turn around and cuss you and tell you say you sell out your culture. What you do with white woman? This, that. Hey girl. Remember, you never did one when you find out me run off from the farm. I'm not straight. Even though me never there to use nobody. I never have no ill intention. You never want to try with me as a Jamaica woman. But now you see a white woman take me up. And me and her make life and I live life. And start with a family and I do a thing. And them the time you want to run in and think me I go mash up me thing. The man say him rather there with a white woman in a Canada than him own Jamaican fellow woman them in a Canada. Because none of them now look upon you if you're not straight. Them now have nothing to do with you. Them now be the one to say make me try with him or try and help him. Is a white woman I go do that. And look how much thing the white woman then go through with Jamaica man. And them still willing to try with you. A man say him see it all the while in a Canada. Not until you're straight, you see all of them a run come and start. And the worst thing again. The man say the Jamaica woman them in a Canada don't stop cuss the white woman them and say them a take with them man. You know what me say? Them not stop cuss them and say them a take with them man. But the man say, them no know say, are the uncle woman will take up a Jamaica man in a straight enough in a Canada and try with him. While the Jamaica woman then did they cuss them and a dig down pan them and I say this and I say that. And them, if a y'all alone fit in a Canada, dog name your supper. Immigration will you send you back straight to your yard. If it's under a Jamaican woman, your own fellow woman, country woman, government in a Canada. You reach back at your yard. And you hear the worst thing man say again? Is your own Jamaican fellow woman them treat you the worst in a Canada when you're there with them. Me say when the man say them thing, them me surprised. Me shock. But me look into it and me say, you know, say, he have a point. He have a point, you know. Because even when you're there at Jamaica, let me tell you another thing again. Enough time them cuss the woman, them and say them come to Jamaica and take with them man, or them a take with them man in a foreign, and this and that, and never go look them culture, and this, and all different manner evil. But guess what? Enough time when a woman come to Jamaica, and take up a Jamaica man, and 3/4 of the time it can be a white woman to come to Jamaica and take up a Jamaica man. You know what the thing? You see them same Jamaica girl they in a Jamaica, them they want the man. Them they want the man until the woman take him up and the woman make life and live good and the man look like he happy. At them the time that them start cost the white woman, the man this and that. At them the time that they start want the man. But guess what? If you're there Jamaica and you're not drive, you're walk foot. You're kinda dark. If you're there Jamaica, you're a little farmer where you try your thing, you're kinda dark. You're there Jamaica and you work construction site and not you're kinda dark. You have to have money. If you're there one little hotel work and an antomo, you're kinda dark. Them girls they don't want you. You have to drive car, you have to have money can spend on them and sit. But guess what? When the little white woman come now and now watch how you stay, now watch how you look, now watch what kind of job you're in, she just like you and her talk and get to know each other. One thing lead to a next, one thing lead to a next. You end up in a relationship. Next thing you know, he married you. Next thing you know, you're there foreign. Next thing you know, you get beaten, you start your family with her. Everything alright, you're happy and good. And then the time that they want you. Then the time that they want you. The same girl when they want you. The same Jamaican woman when never did want you. And now she wants you because you're happy now and alright. And she's surprised to see it's a woman of a different culture. It's a white woman you settle down with and happy with. He kill them. But guess what? Them never see you from morning. And at this the man I try to make clear. Say in a Canada, if you ever go up on a farmer ticket and run off in a Canada, and a Jamaica woman did they were straight and good in a Canada when they are Canada from she a little pitney from her yard there her knee. And she even like you. And you and I get talking now. And things start lead to one thing to one next and argument start get deep and she can dig into your business now. And you go tell her, say, you know, say, me not straight in a Canada, me not have no paperwork. You're done with your right with this so. It done before it even start. Remember, you know, a man not have no ill intention, him just in the country and him see an opportunity and him run off. Him will no mind find a nice woman with dead by him side and have him back and him build life with her. But guess what? Not the Jamaica woman them in a Canada day. Them not build no life with you. Them wait until you go find a nice Canadian white woman will take care of you and show you more love and show you more respect. And help you to straighten the country. And help you to build up yourself. Then you see them a run come like you throw a can give fall. Yeah man, it come like a bacon and you throw give fall. That's how you see them start run come. Run come. And me believe that brother there. Me believe him 100%. Because if from Jamaica they just see how they go on. What sense for him? Them no want to do the hard work with you. Them only want come take you up. When you're fixed up and you're alright, and another woman take the risk with you. Remember, you know, who Jamaican man break their heart most than white woman? What kind of woman take Jamaican man go foreign more than a white woman and Jamaican man left them? But at the same white woman, them a take the same risk with a man, with a Jamaican man, same way. Not the Jamaica woman them, we turn on and cuss the same white woman them, say they go stick to their race. They might take with the man them out of their culture. And all them kind of sitting there. But remember me tell you this. You see the same woman, we did it, and they am crush banana aisle with you. You see the same woman, we did it, and they am dry bread and butter with you. You see the same woman where one ripe banana you have to broke in half and share you on the breakfast that stick to that one day. Don't matter the color. It could have white, purple, pink, yellow. Don't matter. Stick to the one where stick to you. Love who love you. Remember me tell you that. 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe no man. You don't have to ask nobody nothing. And nobody not have to tell you nothing. I just 1J Progress Entertainment. Believe.